It's time to check your learning. Can you match the word with its meaning? Pause here while you are doing it. If you are done, let's check the answer. The first one is yan. Yan. It means hot. The second one is 火. 火. It means fire. The last one is 灾. 灾. It means disaster. If you are ready to challenge yourself even more, let's do the next exercise. Can you write the Chinese characters according to its picture and pronunciation? Well, you can do it on the paper or just write it on your thigh. If you are done, let's check the answer. The first one is 火. 火. The second one is 盐. 盐. Two fire together. The last one is 灾. 灾. So how many do you get right? I can't wait to see your feedback in the comments. Thank you for being here when you can be anywhere in the world. You should really feel proud of yourself for your commitment in learning and growing. The simple fact you click this video and stick to the end is a true manifest of your growing mindset. I really hope this video was helpful to you. I'd love to know your feedback. Please drop them in the comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. By the way, I'll upload video resources weekly. Please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。